So my name is Jordan, I teach level 3 games and I teach a degree in games and interactive media. So I started here just kind of primarily teaching game design and computing, and we've kind of moved over to degree as well. So with level 3, when you start the level 3 course, you're more looking at looking at the fundamentals of 3D design and games. It's more of an introduction into the game industry. Because what you'll find in the game industry is you normally just focus on one thing. So whether that be animation, 3D modeling, game design. And the way the course works is you kind of dabble in a bit of everything. And the reason we do that is because when learners come in, they might not exactly know what they want to do. So if we kind of give them the resources and the software and the equipment to kind of play around with a bit of everything, then when they come to the end of the year, they kind of decide, you know what, 3D modeling's for me or game design's for me, and they find an interest in something, and in the second year they can pursue that a bit further. And then when they do that for the 2 years, we then have that degree course after those 2 years of level 3 that they can even progress further on to that. And if they want to do it, they can go on to foundation degree, games and interactive media, and continue their course with progressing with games and interactive media. I also teach on esports as well. It's really brought to light health and well-being. It's within the criteria, it's what we teach. It's one of the units that we teach within there. And it's really brought to light the importance of that, because these students, these learners they're in front of these screens about up to 14 hours. It could be a long period of time, what's not healthy, and you need to take these regular breaks. And we do teach this to the students, and this is, this part of the criteria was being highlighted. We're trying to bring that across to games as well, because games is, you do just the same really. Sometimes you're not playing games, but you're creating games, but you get stuck in it, and then you're there for about 12 hours straight, creating these games. So we're really trying to push forward, health and well-being and mental health, and then just trying to get that across and prepare them to, if they are doing these long stretches of work, to have these regular breaks and make sure you get off your chair and you kind of walk around a bit and take these regular breaks and come back to it, because it will still be there when you come back. So.